Lesson number 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Now look at the grid of the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude on the globe. You can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know its latitude and longitude. The points where these two lines cut each other, that point will be the location of that place. To understand this clearly, draw equidistant vertical and horizontal lines on a paper. Label the vertical rows with numbers and horizontal rows with letters. Draw some small circle randomly on points where these horizontal and vertical lines intersect each other. Name the small circle as A, B, C, D and E. Let vertical lines represent east longitudes and horizontal lines as north latitude. Now you will see that the circle A is located on B degree north latitude and 1 degree east longitude. International dateline. International dateline is an imaginary line on the Earth's surface that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. When you cross the ideal, that is international dateline, the day and the date change. So if you cross it traveling westward, the day goes forward by 1 and the date increases by 1. At the same time, if you crosses it traveling eastward, the opposite occurs. Why do we have standard time? The local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which crosses several longitudes. Therefore, the standard time for each country is usually taken as the time of the central meridian that passes through it. Thus, we need a standard meridian for the country. In India, 82.5 degree east longitude determines the standard time. It is also known as the Indian Standard Time (IST). Some countries have a great longitudinal extent and so they have adapted more than one standard time. For example, Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times.